Sintra AI Tutorial and Review. Sintra AI is a next-gen design platform that combines AI creativity with professional-grade design tools. Whether you're making brand assets, UI layouts, or marketing visuals, Sintra helps you generate ideas and final designs in minutes. AI-powered design generation. Describe what you want, and Sintra generates multiple design concepts instantly. Smart brand adaptation. Upload your logo, fonts, and colors, and the AI will create designs that match your brand style. Responsive layouts. Automatically adapts designs for web, mobile, print, and social media formats. Collaboration tools. Invite your team to tweak and approve designs in real time. If you're tired of spending hours on repetitive design tasks, Sintra AI is a huge time saver. It's perfect for marketers, startups, and freelancers who want professional results fast. I'd rate it 9.5 out of 10 for speed, branding flexibility, and overall creativity. Thanks for watching.